Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a subscription box. This subscription box is completely new to me, so I'm really excited to see what it's all about. The title of the subscription box is Boss and Bae. Make sure that I have all of the information linked down in the description box below. It is a Black-owned subscription box. It is a monthly subscription box. Every month you're gonna pay $49 for the box and then an additional $7 for flat rate shipping. The box does automatically renew, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it after the first box. So going ahead and getting into the unboxing, this is what the box looks like. It just comes in a white mailer, and then it has this beautiful black bow as well as this cute little crown sticker. And we are gonna be unboxing the June box. I'm really excited. I love subscription boxes. It's like little Christmas presents. Anyway, all right, so this is the information card that does come with the box. As you guys can see, some nice sandy cheeks and the beautiful ocean in the background, and it does say hello summer. This is the June Ava box. It does list all the products that do come inside the box as well as links to purchase the individual products. And then at the bottom of the information card, it does have all of their social media links. As mentioned previously, this is a Black-owned business, and the boxes do cater to beauty, lifestyle, hair, just basically encompass everything that you're gonna need in your daily life. Something that I do love just from reading their website is that they do target smaller independent brands to put inside their boxes. And one thing with subscription boxes that I love is like when they do work with those smaller brands, because you get to give somebody a chance that you probably wouldn't normally hear about. And a lot of those times those products end up working wonderfully. Like they have natural ingredients, they work really well with my skin, or just I love like the lipstick shade, whatever it might be. I really do like when they give smaller brands a chance. So 100%, like I'm already loving it. Support small business, support Black-owned business. All right, so getting into the first product. This is from the company THYME. This is their Rosemary HYDROSOL. And then on the information card, it says distilled wild harvested rosemary mixed with purified water. Great for facial and body external inflammation and tension relief. Oh my gosh. So you already have a winner, because after long shifts, 12, 13-hour shifts at the hospital, I'm gonna keep this in the glove compartment and just douse my body in this as soon as I leave the hospital. So I'm already loving this. It goes on to say, also a great sunburn remedy and for relief of overheated skin. Please refrigerate to extend shelf life. And then it has the link to the website. So on the bottle, it just says apply to skin and or hair. And then ingredients, fresh organic rosemary distilled in purified water. And that's it. Handcrafted herbal remedies. So I'm really excited because this is all natural. Like it has 2 ingredients, like it doesn't get much better than that. And it smells just like rosemary as expected. Next on the list, this product is from BOYCE. This is their room spray in saffron and ginger. So it says fragrances and gifts for the home. And then it has a little description. When I was a child, my aunt would always try to make me drink ginger tea. I hated the smell of it. This zesty aromatic candle, however, combines the uniqueness of the ginger, freshness of saffron, and resinous cardamom and lemongrass to offer a remarkably crisp and fresh scent, much better than tea. And it says made in the heart of Brooklyn. Amazing. This is 4 fluid ounces, and I'm just assuming this is like air freshener for your room. You can never have too much air freshener. I love things to smell good. So let's spray it and see how it smells. This is kind of hard to get off. Ooh, that smells good. It's like clean linen. I sprayed too much. It's like a spicy, clean citrus linen. That smells really good, actually. I might have to spray this in my car. I really like that. Ooh, that smells really good. Spicy, a spicy, like woody, citrus, clean linen. That's exactly what it smells like. It smells so good. I love it. I love it. This is really good. So definitely gonna use this in my car, and I'm gonna use this in my room because I love everything to smell really good. And I'm probably gonna spray it in my closet too, because why not? Next up, we have this product from the brand KUSHAE. This is a 2-in-1 foaming wash. On the information card, it does say specifically formulated by a gynecologist. This is a all-natural, gentle foaming solution, cleanses and moisturizes your vaginal area, has the perfect 1-2 combo to provide the right pH balance for your body. This unique 2-in-1 cleanser is gentle enough for daily use and can also use double as shaving soap. Vital to feminine care, the gentle foaming wash is infused with unique and all-natural ingredients that are doctor and natural diva approved. So I'm getting more and more excited with every product that we take out of the box, because I definitely thought that this was a face wash, so I'm glad I read the information card. Oh my goodness. Really good that it's pH balanced and that it's coming directly from a gynecologist. So who knows best than a gynecologist about your vaginal health? So I really like that because in a lot of subscription boxes, you don't find too many things that cater to that. And I think it's like a taboo topic to talk about. So it's really good that this is focused specifically on that. And this is really interesting. Like you can use it as a daily wash and then you can also use it as a shaving base. So that's really, really good. It's all natural and it's fragrance free. So definitely two really good things that you want to, like, you want nothing but the best down there. And then it also says no sulfates, no parabens, SLS, alcohol, artificial colors. And it has some of the unique ingredients that are inside of this. French green clay to detoxify and purify. And then it has aloe gel, which moisturizes and soothes delicate skin. Witch hazel extract, which is an antioxidant and a skin refresher. And then it of course follows on with your directions and the rest of the ingredients that do go into this foaming wash. And this is a pretty hefty, nice size. So if you guys haven't noticed, all of the products so far are full-size products. So most definitely you're getting your money's worth with the subscription box. I like that. These are functional things. It's not something that you're going to use once and then you're like, okay, do I really like it? Like you get to use a full product and then you're like, I'm going to buy this again. I'm going to invest in this brand. Definitely love full-size products because then I can make an informed decision as a consumer. And also it has a coupon code. So if you do get the subscription box, you get 15% off when you do purchase another full-size product. Next up on the list, we do have this Margaret's Magic from Carol's Daughter. This is the Margaret's Magic Restorative Cream. This line is primarily targeted at dry, brittle hair. Some of the goals that it does say on the bottle, it says that it deeply nourishes, restores strength, and improves manageability. And then some of the key ingredients are shea, cocoa, and soybean. And on the information card, it does say this magic in a jar is one of our faves, and we predict it will become one of your fave go-to products to nourish your hair and achieve manageability like a boss. So definitely I could see myself using this with wash and goes. I'm like in the in-between of like, I'm trying to experiment, get back into twist outs because my hair doesn't get single strand knots as much when I do twist outs and actually style my hair. But I love the way my hair looks with wash and goes. I love the definition. So we're gonna see what style this works best, because something I've noticed with my particular hair texture is certain products work really well with certain styles. However, other styles, it's a complete flop. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna experiment. We're gonna see. Hopefully I'm gonna be getting back into the natural hair styling videos. So we'll see how this works out. The next product is from the brand Compendium Live Inspired. This is a write now journal and I love journals. This like speaks to me. I just love writing stuff down. I write so many things down. So whether it's a prayer journal, writing tasks down, just all different things, like when I jot down notes for my videos or jot down video ideas, I love journals. I burn through so many journals. Like if a journal company wants to sponsor me, I'm all for it. But on the front of this journal, it says all things grow with love. And I love that. It's so cute. And it's just like the perfect little handy size to put in your book bag, to put in your purse, take it everywhere. This is so cute. And then on the inside, it does have lined pages. I like structure. I liked lined journals. And then on some of the pages, it also has little quotes. So it says, my garden of flowers is also my garden of thoughts and dreams. And then it's from Abram L. Urban. And it does say on the information card that this is an eco-friendly journal for creating, discovering, living. Start writing 3 things you're thankful for each day. We promise it'll make you happier, healthier, and more grateful. So I'm definitely going to use it for that. I think not only just write down 3 things that I'm grateful for every day, but then continue on with my day. And it's just going to be good to look back, like on this day I was thankful for that, and then on this day like I did all these things, or I journaled about this, or I prayed about this, all different types of things. So I really like that. I like that challenge that they gave you a challenge to do with the journal. And then last but not least, I have these 2 pins from Little Woman Goods, and these are their 2 feminist pushback pins. Just to give you guys a closer look, again, this one says nasty woman, and then this one says girls in a pink heart. And then on the information card, it does say the future is female, girl power is real, and sometimes you gotta let them know. Sometimes you just gotta remind folks. You gotta let them know, like, I'm here, what's up, future is female, there's nothing you can do about it. And they did also include their business card to check them out, and it says find us online, and then it has their website, their Etsy shop, as well as their Instagram. Definitely go check them out. I loved this. I'm really excited to try these out. I feel like there's so much diversity, different things, and it's not just focused on beauty. You have some essential oils to unwind after work, not just after work, just unwind on a stressful day. You have hair care products, you have feminine hygiene products, you have something to make your general living space smell good, you have pins to let them know that the future is female, we're here, what's up, what are you gonna do about it? And then you also have a journal. So I just love that this box encompasses so many different aspects of everyday life. So definitely check them out. Thank you so much, Kim, for reaching out to me to review this box. I love everything. I'm really excited. And yeah, that is everything. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
I just wanna love you, just to make you smile, that's the motive. Just to make